I am Richa Islam, BSc Chemistry Honours, student of Mathura College, Coach Bihar. Today I am going to discuss polysaccharides, elementary treatment of starch, cellulose and glycogen. So, what is polysaccharides? Polysaccharides are polymers of monosaccharides units joined by glycosidic bond formed by dehydration synthesis. They are complex carbohydrates, thousands of sugar monomers joined by glycosidic linkage. They have greater than 100 subunits, so very high molecular weight. They are made of branched and unbranched liner of molecules. Polysaccharides chains is two types, straight or branched. Then how many types of polysaccharides? Storage polysaccharide and structural polysaccharide. Storage polysaccharide have two types, starch and glycogen, and structural polysaccharide have two types, cellulose and cysteine. Now let's talk about starch. Starch in two types, in chloroplast and made of amylose and amylopectin. Amylose have two parts, alpha glucose and straight chain, and amylopectin have two parts, alpha glucose and branched chain. In preparation of starch from graminication fruits, grind and suspend in water. Remove gluten by addition of dilute alkali. Wash with water and dry and powder. Now, preparation of soluble starch. Heat with dilute HCl at 40 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes or maceration for 7 days in dilute HCl. Wash until neutral and dry. So, soluble starch used as indicator in iodometric assays. Now, how soluble starch formed? It is been suggested that alkali condition opens up the starch granule structure, resulting in breaking the intermolecular hydrogen bonds, thereby enhancing the water solubility. The presence of alcohol not only restricts the swelling for granules by increasing the effective water concentration but also acts as a complexing agent to establish the dissociate starch molecules and conserve the granules integrity. Then, use of starch. Antidote for iodine poisoning, dilute in powders and tablet manufacture nutrient and demulcent starting material in the manufacture. Structure of starch. The structure of the top is amylose and the structure is below is of amylopectin. Describes amylose and amylopectin. Amylose, soluble in water, gives blue color with dilute iodine solution. Structure unbranched. 250 to 300 D glucose units linked by alpha 1,4 linkage. Mole weight approx 60,000. Occurs of the extent of 50% to 20%. And amylopectin described. Insoluble in water, gives reddish color with iodine solution. Structure highly branched. Units joined together by alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond and at branch point with alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Mole weight approx 5 lakhs. Occurs at 80% to 85%. Now I will describe about glycogen. Glycogen in cytoplasm of animal cells, replenished daily for energy, present in high concentration in liver followed by musical brain. The below structure is glycogen. Describe the cellulose, most abundant organic substance on earth. Straight chain, beta glucose alternating orientation inverted, requires a special enzymes to digest, very stable insoluble compound. The below structure is cellulose. The last part of describes is cysteine. Cysteine, the second most abundant organic molecules, hard exoskeleton of crustaceans It is linear homopolysaccharide composed of N-acetyl glucosamine residues in B linkage. Herbivorous animals utilize cellulose with the help of bacteria. The below structure is sitting. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.